What if I told you that there's a marketing channel that has 5 times higher opening rates than email, and you can use it inside Kajabi? That is SMS marketing, text message marketing. It is now here. It is inside Kajabi. And in this video, we're diving into everything we need to know about it and how to set it up. It's in beta inside Kajabi, so you might have it, you might not, but this will get you ready when it fully rolls out. This is a huge deal. Email marketing is still king for 1,000 reasons, but text message marketing obviously has a massive role to play in how we promote our products and how we stay engaged with our customers. So let's dive into what we need to know about it. If you go to Kajabi, if you have it under marketing, it's going to say SMS campaigns beta. Instant communication with your audience, looking for a powerful way to reach your audience directly through Kajabi. Our SMS marketing service integrates Twilio seamlessly with the Kajabi platform, ensuring your audience stays informed and engaged. Connect your Twilio account and start a campaign now. So we're going to dive into all this. My name is Lane. If you don't know me, my name's Lane. Great to see you. I have my espresso. It's a decaf today because I'm trying to be more responsible. If you want to build an online business and replace your 9-to-5 income with it without hustle, grind, or having to build a large social media following, you're in the right place. That's what we do on this channel. So welcome. It's great to have you. And if you're not on Kajabi yet, right now is the time to join. They're running their biggest promotion ever, 3 months for $99. So you can join Kajabi right now for 3 months for one payment of $99. And this is the creator plan. It opens up the entire Kajabi universe to you. You can use anything you want for those 3 months. And then when it's over, you just select the plan that you want moving forward and you're good to go. But you can do a lot in those 3 months to build it. And if you use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, you get 3 amazing bonuses. The Kajabi Accelerator course, which will help you get the best possible start on the platform. You get my 25K course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which did over $25,000. And you get my top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make that I discovered helping 400 people get their start. This is a masterclass that will help you avoid the common mistakes that I saw when I interviewed 400 people or coached 400 people, the first 400 people that jumped onto Kajabi using my link. All that is yours for free to say thank you for using my link. And by the way, if you're watching this, it's May 16th. This ends in a few days. It ends in 5 days. And so do this now, jump in now. And if you're watching this after May 21st and you're like, dang it, I missed it. Well, good news is you can still get a 30-day free trial and all my bonuses, the 3 bonuses that I mentioned. And it's all at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So go there, it will have the most up-to-date information. So before we jump into actually setting this up, I want to talk first about text message marketing, SMS marketing, and why it's so important. Now, the first thing is obviously, as I mentioned, there's a 5 times higher open rate. The reason why this is the case, obviously, is because all day long, every day, you and I are looking at our phones, and our text messages are one of the most intimate, connected ways that we communicate with people. When someone gives you their phone number and invites you, gives you permission to text them as a business, your business, your Kajabi account can text them, they are inviting you to communicate with them in the same way that they communicate with their spouse, with their kids, with their friends, with their closest people in their lives. So it is a massive opportunity to be in their space and to get in front of their eyes. It's a huge deal that Kajabi is rolling this out. This doesn't replace email marketing. Email marketing is still going to have its place when it comes to sales and conversions and helping people make a buying decision. But SMS marketing is a really great place to nurture your audience, to remind them of time-sensitive offers and deadlines and the close of your cart. All of that is a perfect place for both email and especially text message marketing. And on this page, they show 3 ways that we can use this. Enhance customer engagement. Keep your customers informed and engaged with personalized messages. Yes. Drive sales and conversions. Promote your offers directly to your Kajabi customer's phone. Yes. Send important notifications and updates to your customers. Absolutely. And I would add to that, time-sensitive promotions. Text message marketing is the perfect way to say, hey, 12 hours left to get this deal, 6 hours left, last call, cart's about to close. Text message is the best way to do that, along with email. Webinar reminders. If you're running live webinars and you've invited people to it and they've registered, get their number along with their email address, and you can send a text, hey, we go live in 15 minutes. Hey, we're going live right now. Membership engagement. So if you have a community inside Kajabi, and Kajabi does community better than anybody else, you can send text messages to the people in your community, motivational messages, challenges, just helping them with tips throughout the day or throughout the week. It's a perfect way to stay connected to your community. Course launches, product launches, anytime a course goes live, anytime a bonus is about to expire, anything related to time-sensitive offers, like I said, deadlines, urgency, text messages are perfect for that. So let's jump into connect your account. Reach your audience directly and drive engagement with SMS. Follow these quick steps to get started. Sign up for a Twilio account. Purchase a phone number from Twilio. Note that the verification process varies and can take 1 to 2 weeks. Now, why do you have to purchase a number? Well, you don't want your personal number to be the one texting people. I highly doubt that you would want that, and I don't think it's even part of what you can do. I don't think that's allowed. So you have to purchase a number that is going to be used for this. And it's going to take a couple weeks because the laws around, the guidelines around texting are even more. There's guidelines and restrictions around email and spam. There's also guidelines and restrictions around text messaging, and you have to comply with those. And the great thing is Kajabi is going to make sure that if you follow their directions, you will be in compliance. But because of that, there's going to be a verification process, and it's going to take 1 to 2 weeks. So you can view the toll-free number setup guide, you can view the local number setup guide, or choose between toll-free and local numbers. Connect your Twilio account to Kajabi. Learn how. This feature is currently in beta and is being tested by a select group of Kajabi users. That's me. SMS marketing is a highly effective tool for building customer engagement with open rates as high as 98% and click-through rates up to 43%. With Kajabi's new SMS integration, you can now connect your Twilio account to send targeted outbound messages to your audience, whether you're aiming to send promotions, reminders. We talked about all that. Why use SMS engagement, SMS marketing? High engagement, deeper personal contextualization, multi-channel engagement for maximum reach. Yes. Connect your Twilio account to Kajabi. So navigate to SMS campaign setup from your Kajabi dashboard. Click SMS campaigns options in the left-hand menu nested under marketing. SMS setup home. Okay, we've seen that. Twilio integration model. In this window, follow the instructions to connect to your Twilio account. You need to purchase a phone number from Twilio and get regulatory approvals for SMS campaigns. See the guide for more details. What I love about this is one of the reasons why I haven't jumped into SMS marketing before was I didn't want to mess something up. I didn't want to do something that wasn't in compliance with law and get myself into trouble. And so I knew that the way Kajabi would roll this out, they would make sure, and they have made sure, that you're in compliance if you just follow what they say. Once connected, you'll be able to select a dedicated phone number from your Twilio account to use for SMS marketing. Kajabi Twilio integration. Enter your Twilio account in SID, Twilio authentication token, and your Twilio phone number in your Kajabi account. So you do that right there. And then step 2, create the SMS campaign. So once everything's set up, you can access your SMS dashboard. After your Twilio account is set up, you'll be taken to the SMS dashboard where you can create and manage campaigns. Click the Create Campaign button on the SMS dashboard. Select the audience segment you want to target, such as contacts who have opted in for SMS messaging. Customize your message in the campaign creation flow. The dashboard will also show a character count to ensure your message fits with SMS limits. Add a link to a specific Kajabi product, landing page, or custom URL. Choose to either send the message immediately or schedule it for a later time. So it covers all the same bases that an email marketing campaign does. You select the audience, you customize the message, you add the links, and then you set a time. Pretty straightforward stuff. Managing campaigns and contacts. Kajabi's SMS integration also makes it easy to manage your SMS campaigns and contact lists. Campaign editing. You can edit or duplicate existing campaigns by clicking the icon next to clicking the three-dot icon next to any campaign on your dashboard, list segmentation, opt-in, opt-out management, customize opt-in and opt-out messages to stay compliant with SMS regulations. Okay, that's that kind of, if you want these to stop, just send back the word stop and it will stop. So people can always opt out, all that kind of stuff. Can I receive replies via SMS? No, this initial phase of Kajabi's SMS integration supports outbound messages only. Two-way SMS will be considered in future updates. What happens if I disconnect my Twilio account? If you disconnect, all active SMS campaigns will stop and you will not be able to edit or create new campaigns. That makes sense. How can I measure the success of the SMS campaigns? The SMS dashboard provides metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, coming soon, and delivery status, allowing you to measure the impact of each campaign. Great. How can I ensure my SMS campaigns comply with regulations? To comply with SMS regulations, ensure that all recipients have opted to receive messages that you include an opt-out, reply stop to unsubscribe. So this works just like email. You're going to invite people in. They choose to come into the program, and they can leave anytime they want. All they have to do is opt out. Can I schedule SMS campaigns in advance? Yes. Can I use my existing Kajabi segments for SMS? Yes. You can use your predefined Kajabi. This is why I love that it's integrated with Kajabi, because I already have a bunch of segmentation, and you probably do too. These people bought this course. These people, came in through this lead magnet. These people clicked on this email, and it would be nice to be able to send those to those people without having to make those buckets of people, and they're already made. Will SMS messages be sent to international numbers? Unfortunately, during the beta phase, we'll only send to US numbers. Once we get out of the beta phase, we will offer SMS sending to more countries. SMS marketing on Kajabi opens up new direct way to engage your audience with personalized, timely messages. So I am going to set up my account, and then I'm going to come back with future videos talking about my experience with it, how I'm getting people's numbers, because I'm going to have to ask, because I've got all these people that are on my email list, but I didn't ask for their number. So I'm going to have to ask them for their number. And then when I opt people into my list, I'm going to have to include I'm going to get to include the cell phone number as a part of that. This is becoming more and more common. Anywhere you go, they're asking for your email. And then once you get through that, they're like, okay, we want your phone number too. So this is pretty normal. People are used to it. I want to know what you think in the comments. Let me know. Are you excited about this? Are you going to use it? This is going to be one of the ways in which having your own list matters. I talk about this all the time, but if you just have social media following, you don't own that. You don't own your following on TikTok. You don't own your following on Instagram. You can't pick up that list and move it to some other platform and put it there. This is the way I talk about it. I had my list on MailChimp, and I picked it up and I moved it over to ConvertKit, and I set it down, and I could move all those followers over. And then I moved it from ConvertKit, picked it up, move it over, and I put it inside Kajabi. I can do that with an email list. I can do that with an SMS contact list. I cannot do that with my Facebook followers. I cannot do that with my YouTube subscribers, but I can do that with email and SMS. And so this is another way to build an audience that is yours, that you own. These are names and phone numbers and email addresses that are yours, and no social media platform can just shut down, walk away, and take it from you. So SMS is going to be amazing, and because Kajabi is rolling it in to integrate with their own platform, it's going to work so well, and I can't wait. Be sure to sign up for Kajabi, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, 3 for $99. Do it before the 21st, 30-day free trial if you're after the 21st. And if you do jump into Kajabi for the next 90 days, I want you to have the best possible first 30 days you can have. I'm going to show you this playlist right here. It's called Your First 30 Days on Kajabi. I'll show you step by step what to do in the next 30 days to have the most success on the platform. So click right there, and I'll see you in that playlist.